How to turn off Facebook video autoplay on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to turn off Facebook video autoplay on Android. Then to begin with, you want to first of all open a Facebook app. Make sure the app is completely up to date. And next, what you want to do is here on this page, simply click on the initials from the top of the page and go to the gear icon from the top right corner of your screen. So when you go to this section, you want to come to the preferences and scroll down a bit. So then what next you want to do is on this page, you simply want to click on media section. Here it is under preferences, click that out. When you go to the media section, you want to go ahead and scroll down and locate this autoplay thing. You have this autoplay in the feed. You could just tap on or toggle the button for never. And that is how you could turn off Facebook video autoplay on Android. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.